pleasant day to every one of you, especially to our beloved teacher, Mrs. Marites Laco, and to my co-virtual classmates. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. I'm Sian Kala Elao from 6th Clapper Grade. For today's lesson, we will learn about dividing decimals or mixed decimals up to 2 decimal places. Here are some steps in dividing whole number. Step number 1. Move the decimal to the right as many times as necessary to make the divisor a whole number. Step number 2. Move the decimal in the dividend the same number of times you move it in on the divisor. Step number 3. Place the decimal into the quotient directly above the moved decimal point in the dividend. Last step, divide. Let's study this example. What is 80 and 6400 divided by 2 and 5600s? Divide 80 and 6400s by 2 and 5600s. 80 and 6400s is the dividend. 2 and 5600 is the divisor. To get the quotient in the division, we write first the given numbers in this format. We write 80 and 6400s inside. And 2 and 56 on outside. In dividing decimal number, make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point to the right of the last digit. So, we're going to move decimal point here. Okay, we move 2 decimal places here in our divisor. And now, we are going to move 2 decimal places here in our dividend. And now, we're going to put decimal point in our quotient. So now, we can divide them normally. 806 divided by 256 is equals to 3. 256 times 3 is equals to 768. And now, we are going to subtract. 6 minus 8 is cannot be. We are going to borrow to 0. But 0 has no value. So, we are going to borrow to 8. 8 will become 7. 0 will become 9. And 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. So, we are going to bring down the number 4. $384 divided by 256 is equals to 1. 1 times 256 is equals to 256. So, we're going to subtract. 4 minus 6 is cannot be. So, we're going to borrow to 8. 8 will become 7. And 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So, 128 is just a small number, so it cannot be divided to 256. So, we're going to add 0. So, 128 will become 1,280. 1,280 divided by 256 is equals to 5. 256 times 5 is equals to 1,280. We're going to subtract 1,280 minus 1,280 is equals to 0. So, the final answer is 31 and 5/10. So, if you are going to divide 80 and 64 hundredths by 2 and 56 hundredths, the quotient is equal to 31 and 5/10. That's all. Thank you for watching.